Alright, Mk2 Scirocco here, 1.8T 20 valve conversion. If you're looking at this, the video for the engine video rebuild is and should be up. Now, fly-by-wire, I'm using the Mk2 Golf Colorado fly-by-wire cable. All the AGU wire loom. As you can tell, AGU. Yes, you're seeing new injectors in. I'm getting some aluminium injector seats for when I put my 800 to 1000 cc injectors in. But right now I'm running it stop. All the wiring has been done by myself. Full wire conversion. Just gotta tape up the loom, extend the loom there. I've just potentially just run it like this to start it. My ECU has been put in. Now you're probably seeing this engine mount right here comes from a VR6. I had to modify it because it looked like the VR6 sit further over. So I had to cut it. As you can tell, extended it so it sits, you know. And then I had to use the original Mk2 Scirocco engine mount right there. This is also the Mk2 Scirocco engine pulley for timing. This is Ford Focus ST master cylinder for brakes. And then down the back side, this will be the back side for the gearbox engine mount. As you can see, this was too long, but the only thing that I've said here done was cut it and adapted it to fit to the original Mk2 Scirocco rear engine mount. So all that's now on. I don't know if you can see. I didn't zoom it up for you. Right. Should have done that from the beginning. Alright, so as you can see, 213s bolted on. As I can tell you, 213s is there as well. I just need to get my girth selectors to slide in on my selector shafts, and I can put them in place like so. So while I was in that, engine's been put in. I took apart starter motor, reconditioned it, and that's basically it that we're done so far. 1.8T 20 valve conversion done. Now, I haven't ran the front engine mount, if you can tell. I do have it, but I'm not sure if I'll be running it or not, because if you can tell, it's not going nowhere. So I don't know, it's going to be a debate. Get it going, see if I get any knocking towards there. As you can tell, we've got a good half-inch, you know, gap, inch and a half take. So yeah, I'm gonna make my own custom down pipe, exhaust, straight pipe. I'm gonna be starting my own business soon. So if there's anyone out there that wants any modifications, I'm gonna be doing that. So I already got intercooler for it as well, and yeah, right. So like I said, I had an intercooler for the Scirocco. You know, I got an intercooler. Got it all the radiator. Just wanted to make sure I had the radiator in the right size, and then go from there. So Shazam, ready to go. Got dry shafts as well, standard ones, 100mm cups, and I'm gonna go from there. Seems weird recording like this, if you're wondering why I'm looking in this side of the corner. But yeah, So we're gonna get this done. Slightly a rush project, but not too rush. Maybe somewhere later on down the line, she didn't give me black, or they turn a gray, as I was told the engine code was. So she wants to go silver. The engine bay is gonna be black. Engine blade is gonna stay black, but the rest of the car is gonna be silver. But there's further videos to come, follow updates, and yeah.